I saw an offer
Oh,
from actually like a subscription from Sushruta LGS, and the word that caught me was you put on a word like no nonsense questions, and I've seen so many apps. Some I don't know to name them. It will be like, is this a question? This is too bad. This is NEET PG level. And since I thought, okay, someone has my ideology. He is facing this nonsense question, and he is promising that no nonsense. So I subscribed your test series first, Sushruta LGS, and then came your decathlon. And during my NEET PG itself, I consider grand test as my strategy. This is my cornerstone strategy for NEET PG. And what I found in decathlon, your test series peculiar is you will be selecting the topics particularly. Say if in biliary system you give this table in test series 1, you'll give the next table in test series 2, next table in test series 3. So I was like covering the high yield points again and again, and that too you are pointing at the high yields, like as I said, no nonsense questions. It was like so much high yield I could come, and every week it was a practice. So I could honestly say that the high yield areas you have given us 10, you promised us 10 grand tests, but you gave 12. So I visited the high yield areas, like
I'll just
say
correct you. I gave
12.
13.
Yeah, it was 13, including that the grand mock one. I think I scored rank 8 in that one.
Oh,
As you said, you will be writing your blogs, which is peculiar in this series. Like no one speaks personally. You will come to a personal space, say, okay, don't get demoralized. This is a long way. Even when the exams are postponed, you wrote a blog. Everything there was a blog, and I was following how to cope up with stress, how to cope up with these things, and